Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal is a towering figure in Urdu literature and philosophy, often hailed as the spiritual father of Pakistan. Born in 1877, his work profoundly impacted South Asia's intellectual landscape. Iqbal's philosophical thought is deeply rooted in themes of selfhood, individuality, and the awakening of the self, or Khudi. Influenced by Islamic philosophy, Western existentialism, and German idealism, he explored the tension between spiritual and material worlds, urging individuals to realize their potential and contribute meaningfully to society. As a poet, Iqbal's verses are rich with emotion and profound meaning. Written in Persian and Urdu, his poetry reflects a vision of a united Muslim identity and self-discovery. Notable works like Shikwa and Jawabi Shikwa articulate the grievances of Muslims and their quest for dignity and empowerment. Iqbal's vision for youth was transformative. He believed they are society's backbone and must be empowered to think critically and act with purpose. His famous exhortation, "The ultimate aim of the ego is not to see something, but to be something," inspires young people to aspire to greatness. Iqbal's influence extends beyond literature and philosophy. He played a crucial role in inspiring the Pakistan movement, advocating for a separate nation for Muslims in British India. His vision continues to inspire countless individuals, symbolizing hope, resilience, and cultural pride. Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal remains a beacon of thought and creativity, encouraging generations to engage with their identities, aspirations, and the world around them. His legacy endures, inspiring a future of self-discovery and empowerment.